Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add the Polygon token on your Metamask wallet. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Metamask wallet application on your device. And once you open it up, you will be asked to enter your password to continue forward. Type in your account password and tap on the unlock button. And now you will be logged in and taken into your homepage right away. Now within your homepage, you will see all of the tokens that have been added to your account within the tokens menu. If you wish to add the Polygon token, within the tokens menu, tap on the import button. And now you will be able to search for various different tokens from the search box. Tap on it and type in Polygon and start your search. You will now find the Polygon network token as well as Polygon ecosystem index. You can import both of these using the checkbox and by tapping on the next button. And now when you tap on import, it will be added within your wallet watchlist right away. You can also import the Polygon MATIC token by searching for MATIC. You can add all of your desired Polygon tokens by this method, and now it will be visible in your homepage right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add or import the Polygon token within your account on the MetaMask wallet. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.